What if I told you there's a credit card that pays you cash back even if your credit is bad? And yes, it's not a scam. This one credit card has been helping thousands of people rebuild their credit fast, and most people don't even know how powerful it really is. My name is Calvin Russell. I'm a FICO certified credit strategist, and I'm also the CEO of 850 Club Credit. And today, I'm breaking down how the Discover secured credit card quietly became one of the most effective ways to not only rebuild your credit, but to position you for better relationships. And I'm going to show you how to use it like the pros. Now, if you're serious about getting your credit back on track, qualifying for home ownership, or lowering your car payment, check out my private credit community, the 850 Club Elite. Now, inside the 850 Club Elite, you'll get direct access to me, live Q&A calls, and proven credit playbooks that's helped thousands of people reach their credit goals faster. Scan the QR code right here on your screen or click the link in the description below. Now let's get started. Now here's the thing. Most people think secured credit cards are starter cards, okay? And they think that those cards don't matter, but that's not true. Used correctly, the Discover secured credit card can turn into a real credit building machine, because it's not just about getting approved. It's about how Discover reports your progress to all 3 credit bureaus. Let me show you what I mean. A lot of people with bad credit, they only focus on the approval or maybe just the monthly payment depending on what it's for. And they're thinking, finally, somebody said yes. But people with good credit, they think about the long game. What am I getting in this relationship? How many points am I getting? How many rewards am I getting? You're doing the bank a favor. They think, how can I use this account to build history, boost my score, and position myself for upgrades later? That's exactly how you have to treat the Discover secured credit card. Let me break down exactly how it works, okay? So the first thing is you're gonna put down a security deposit. Now, they usually take as little as $200, but they take as high as about $2,500, which you don't need to do, and that amount becomes your credit limit. So let's say, for example, you put down $500, you'll get a $500 limit. Now, here's where Discover Card stands out. They'll review your account after 7 months. If you've been paying your bills on time and keeping your balances low, then they more than likely are going to upgrade you from a secured card to an unsecured card, and they're going to send you your deposit money back. Now, most banks don't do that. They keep your money for years, or you got to close out the account completely. Now, while you're rebuilding your credit, Discover gives you something that almost no other secured credit card does. They give you cash back rewards. So let me explain what this means. You'll earn 2% cash back at gas stations, restaurants, and 1% on everything else. So you're literally getting rewarded while increasing your credit score. Now let's talk about your strategy. If you're rebuilding your credit, your goal isn't to just max out the credit card. You don't want to max out a credit card at all. It's to show control. So here's what I recommend. Only use about 7 to 10% of your credit limit. So that means if your limit is, let's say, $500, that's $35 to $50 max. And then pay it down every week or every few days if you can. Now, why do you want to do this? Because Discover is going to report your usage throughout the month and not just at the statement date. Keeping that balance low tells lenders that you know how to manage your money, even if you have a small credit limit. Now, here's where a lot of people get it wrong. They'll use the credit card for things like groceries, gas, and just random shopping. Then they'll pay it after the statement closes. But here's the issue. When Discover reports that high balance, your credit score is going to drop. And then you'll wonder why your credit score went down even though you paid it on time. So remember, pay before your statement date closes. Another thing you could do too is set up auto pay so you don't even have to worry about this. That's how people with good credit keep their credit scores high. Now, I do want to paint a quick picture so you guys have a visual. Let's say that we have 2 people and they both have credit scores, obviously, Tina and Marcus. Now, Tina has a 520 credit score. She just got her Discover secured credit card. She uses it for gas once a week and she pays it off right away. After 6 months, her credit score increases until the high 600s. because she built trust within the system. Now, Marcus, on the other hand, he has the exact same credit card, but he's swiping it everywhere. He's paying late and he's keeping high balances. Now, what do you think is going to happen with him? Watch this. After 6 months, his score is going to barely move. The same credit card, different mindset, different strategy. That's the difference between using credit and letting credit use you. Okay. Now, before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful and you do want more content that's actually going to help you understand your credit score the right way, then subscribe to the channel today. We drop new videos every single week, all designed to help you level up your credit and help you accomplish your goals. All right, so now let's get back to the game plan. Once Discover upgrades your credit card, you're officially in the unsecured world. That means that your next goal is to start adding more variety. You want to add another credit card. You could even get another Discover credit card, maybe a credit builder loan, or even reporting your previous rental history just to keep the momentum going. Remember, good credit is about a mix as also management. You need both. Now let's address something. People always ask me, well, Calvin, can I get approved for a credit card, something like this, if I have a bankruptcy or collections? The answer is most likely yes, especially for a Discover secured credit card, as it's built for people to rebuild their credit. Now, it's no guarantee because it is a bankruptcy, but there are other options out there. Here's the key though. If you've ever had a Discover account that went unpaid, now you might get denied. They remember things like that, and honestly, that's fair. So if that's you, don't trip. Start with something else like a Capital One secured card. Build the momentum and then circle back to Discover later. And by that time, you may not even need a Discover secured credit card. You can go right into the unsecured. Now let's talk about what happens when you graduate to that unsecured credit card. When Discover upgrades you, they usually increase your limit as well, sometimes doubling it, and then your deposit comes back to you. That's like getting a free savings refund for just doing the right thing. Then you can also move into their Discover It Cashback card, which gives you 5% cash back on rotating categories and unlimited 1% on everything else. And the best part, you've proven already to Discover, so your approvals are going to be much easier. That's how people go from a $200 secured card to thousands in available credit over time. Here's why this matters so much. If your goal is to, let's say, buy a home or finance a car or start building business credit later down the line, you need personal credit to be strong first. This credit card is going to help you get there the right way. No tricks, no crazy credit repair fees over $1,000, and no shortcuts. But here's why people get stuck. They stop after they get the one win. They get the one card, the one credit score increase, and they think that they're done. They're in the 700s, they're getting offers in the mail, but credit is a living thing, and it changes based on how you treat it. You've got to feed it, you got to maintain it, and you have to use it wisely. And listen, if you're trying to figure out exactly what to do next, you need to grab my free credit guide in the description below. It walks you through step by step the same strategies that I use with my clients to increase their credit scores to 700 and beyond. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description below. So here's the bottom line. If you've been rejected, ignored, or embarrassed by other banks, we've all been there. Discover gives you a clean slate. It's the bridge between where you are right now and where you want to be. And if you treat it right, it can open doors that most people don't know exist. Because here's the truth that a lot of people don't talk about. Credit isn't luck. You're not born with good credit. Everyone starts at zero. It's about leverage. And the Discover Secured Credit Card is one of the smartest ways to start. And listen, if you like this video, you're going to love the next one. I'll see you there.